Hello everybody and welcome to this video about us, CoderForTraders.com. So first of all, what you are seeing right now is the risk disclosure. So I will give you a few seconds to read this disclaimer. So what is Coder for Traders? Coder for Traders' mission is to help as many traders as possible to become successful in trading by reducing the learning curve associated with it. From my 25 years plus of trading experience, I can affirm that there is no holy grail in trading. It just doesn't exist. Sound and consistent profitable trading comes from hard work, understanding how markets behave, a disciplined approach based on sound principles, and a knowing of yourself. Coder for Traders has been established to allow traders to have access to my trading experience as well as my programming skills at a very low cost. The business goal for Coder for Traders is to create a library of very useful indicator strategies and trading tool in order to get an edge in trading. You can visit us at www.coderfortraders.com, and this is the website, our website that you are seeing right now. And I'm gonna go immediately to the shop page because we're gonna go through the different products that we are offering. We are offering at this time 5 products: the Market Profile Builder for NinjaTrader 8, the Price Marker for NinjaTrader 7. This one is a free indicator. Pro Suite for NinjaTrader 8, Time Value Map for NinjaTrader 8, and X-Ray Indicator for NinjaTrader 7. So we're going to go quickly through these products. The first product that I would like to go through very quickly is the star of all the product that we are offering, and it is called Pro Suite for NinjaTrader 8. Pro Suite for NinjaTrader 8 has been built around Jim Dalton teaching. Jim teaches the market profile, how to analyze the structure of the market, and it's a very, very good learning that you can get from Jim. I think this is the best indicator in the market. And Pro Suite started as a market profile, but through times I have incorporated everything from Jim teaching, and this is a great product. I'm just showing here very quickly what Pro Suite for NinjaTrader is. You have 5 charts right now. This is my setup. Here on the left, we have a market profile chart with all. You can do a lot of stuff with this indicator here. You have all the references from Jim Dalton teaching, and you can do whatever you want with a profile. You can split them. You can do all the stuff that you can do with a normal market profile package. But on top of that, you have all the Jim Dalton studies and much more. But I have recorded a few videos about Pro Suite for NinjaTrader 8, so you can watch these videos to have more details but this is a very complete package. Here on the middle of your screen, I have it is coming from the Pro Suite Market Profile chart also, because we have different templates here that we can apply. But because I want to see the volume at price as well as the market profile at the same time, I have created two charts with the one showing the value, the volume at price chart template, and the other one the market profile. On the right, you have a daily chart, and at the bottom, you have a weekly and a monthly chart. All these charts are talking to each other. So we have an exchange of data between these charts. For example, the long-term chart, the weekly and the monthly chart send data to the daily chart as well as the market profile chart. The market profile chart send data to the daily chart. So you have a lot of information between all these charts, which make them really very valuable for your trading, especially if you are a Jim Dalton student. Now, the next product that I want to talk about is the time value map for NinjaTrader 8. Here, this is another indicator about market profile, but this is not the same thing as the usual market profile that you can get from Pro Suite. Here on this product, what you are seeing is market profile, but based on time value. This has been created by Peter Stedmeyer. This is an extension of the normal market profile. These market profile are not based on session time, but they are based on two rules. First of all, you can only apply a 24/7 session for this indicator. So this is an indicator that works all the time. And how we define the creation of a new market profile is based on two rules. The first rule is that you need to have at least 12 bar on each profile, and once we get that 12 bars, this is the breakout of the last 9 bars that's going to trigger the creation of a new profile. And these two parameters, the 12 bar minimum and the last 9 bar breakout, is user defined. So if I right click on the indicator here, you're going to see that these are these two properties there, the minimum bars and the breakout bars. By default, it is set to 12 and 9 because Peter Stedmeyer used these numbers to create new profiles. So this indicator gives a different information from the usual market profile, which is pretty good. For example, here these P formation, sometimes you're going to see short covering or long liquidation on this indicator, on this product that you don't see in the usual market profile. Personally, I'm using that product to complement my market profile analysis from Pro Suite. So this is a very nice product. The next product I would like to go through is the market profile builder for NinjaTrader 8. So here it is. I have a 5-minute chart on the screen, and I have applied this product, this indicator, the market profile builder. What it does is that it just create market profiles on any time frames that you can use. Any time frames, it's going to build that market profile for you. You can show all profile at the same time here for all sessions. Here I have only one session, but I'm going to show you when I apply a different session with the overnight, for example. If I click on selected, here you just choose where you want to see the market profile. Let's say, for example, here on the 25th, I just double click on the chart and I get only that profile for that day. If I double click again, it's going to disappear. I want to have that profile here, and that profile here. This is what the selected options is giving you here. Now here I have added the overnight session for the crude oil market here. So I have two sessions. I have the overnight as well as the pit session. I have changed also the opacity for the profile and the bar width. So here you can, if you click on session 1, so you're going to have here only one session. This is the overnight session. If I click on session 2, this is the pit session. So you can toggle between these two sessions. You can show all profiles, or you can show only selected profile. So this is what the market profile builder product is doing. And you can apply any kind of chart as long as it is intraday. So it works on intraday. You can put a range bar, you can put a point and figure chart, a 5-minute, a 30-minute, any time frame that you wish. Finally, we're going to go through the last product that we are offering, and this is product for NinjaTrader 7, and it is called the XRay Indicator. So the XRay Indicator product is a you have 3 different views, but this is a bid-ask ladder. So in the on the left here you have the cumulative profile for the day, and you have many settings here. I have put the candlestick on, but you can get rid of the candlestick if you don't like it. But what you have on the first view here at the top, you can see that we have 3 different views. The first view is the bid and ask view. So obviously this is the volume on the bid traded and on the ask traded. The blue numbers are volume traded at the offer, and the red, these are the volume traded at the bid, and on the gray, this is the other part of the trade. For example, here you had 99 traded on the offer. Because 99 is higher than 81 that traded at the bid, 81 is grayed out. So, and right at the bottom row here, you have different information. The first line is the cumulative since the start of the session, the cumulative delta for the day. On the second row, you have for each bar the percentage, the winning percentage. For example, on this bar here, 58% traded at the offer, and on the next bar, 67% traded at the bid. The third row is the volume for each bar, and at the bottom, the last row, this is the delta but not the cumulative delta, the delta for each bar. So this is what he can get here on the bid and ask view. You have also the volume delta view. On the left part, this is the volume at each price, and on the right side of each bar, this is the net delta. And you have also a profile view with the which side has been aggressive, more aggressive than the other on each price. So you can also, if you draw a line, I just draw this line here from this bar to this bar, for example. When the arrow here is in blue, it's going to show you the net delta between these two, starting with this bar up to this bar. So you have a net delta of 233. If you just change the color of the bar from blue to black, you're going to have the volume for each bar. So you can, with this arrow here indicator, you can know exactly how many contract traded between different period, as well as net delta. All right, so that's about all the products that we are offering here at CoderForTraders.com. So thank you very much for watching this video, and enjoy all the videos from our YouTube account. Thank you.